In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a Form 1099-R for a Roth IRA conversion in TurboTax. First, sign in to your TurboTax account and pick up your federal return where you left off. From the main menu, head to the section that covers income. You're looking for the area labeled Retirement Plans and Social Security, or the section that mentions IRA, 401k, Pension Plan Withdrawals. This is where TurboTax handles 1099-R entries. Start the 1099-R interview by choosing the option to add or report a Form 1099-R. If your bank or brokerage partners with TurboTax, you can import the form automatically. If not, no problem. Just enter the details exactly as they appear on the paper copy. Be careful with Box 1, the gross distribution, and Box 2A, the taxable amount. For a direct conversion to a Roth IRA, Box 2A might be blank or zero if you had no basis, meaning your traditional IRA was funded entirely with deductible contributions. Also check Box 7 for the distribution code. Code G indicates a direct rollover or transfer, while Code 2 can indicate an early distribution where an exception applies. Make sure this code matches your actual situation. TurboTax will then ask follow-up questions to clarify the nature of the transaction. Confirm that this was a conversion or rollover to a Roth IRA and indicate whether you converted the entire amount. You'll also be asked if you have any basis in your traditional IRAs. Basis refers to non-deductible contributions you've already paid tax on. This is what makes part of a conversion non-taxable. If you made non-deductible traditional IRA contributions for 2025, go to the IRA contributions section and enter those details. You may be prompted to review prior year's non-deductible contributions as well. Have your past IRS Form 8606 records handy so TurboTax can calculate your total basis. That basis is what the software uses to figure out the non-taxable portion of your Roth conversion. When you're done, review the automatically generated Form 8606. This form documents both your IRA basis and the conversion itself. You should see the converted amount on line 16 and the taxable amount on line 18. TurboTax will carry the taxable portion to Form 1040, line 4B. Use the form's preview to confirm the numbers flow correctly, and save a copy of your return and Form 8606 for your records. That's it. By carefully entering your 1099-R, confirming the Roth conversion, and accurately reporting your IRA basis, TurboTax will handle the math and put everything on the right lines.